Today, I bring to you the story of a young Nigerian man who rose from nothing, no rich parents, no powerful connections, just pure hustle, faith, and unshakable dream. A boy who once struggled to survive in streets of Anambra State, Nigeria, but today owns mansions, cars, companies, and employs thousands of people across the world. His name is Linus Williams Ifegiaka, but you probably know him as Blord, the Bitcoin Lord. Sit back, let's journey into the life of a man who turned failure into fortune. Every great story begins somewhere, and Blord's story begins in the peaceful land of Anambra State, Nigeria. He was born in a modest family. His father was a civil servant and his mother was a trader. Both hardworking and honest people who believed that education was the greatest gift they could ever offer their children. From childhood, Linus showed signs of curiosity and brilliance. While other children were busy playing football, he was always asking questions about how things worked, especially phones and computer. His friends call him the tech boy because as a child, he would try to open up a gadget to see what was inside. Life wasn't easy. The family wasn't poor because they were lazy. They were poor because they don't have opportunities. But Linus never saw that as an excuse. He would often say, if other people can make it, I can make it too. That mindset became his fuel. Linus attended his primary school education and secondary school education in Anambra State, Nigeria. He was a bright student, but wasn't that type that only relied on school books. He was always thinking outside the box, fixing phones, helping people repair laptops, and saving every small money he made. After finishing secondary school, he gained admission into Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, where he studied computer science. That was where everything changed. During his university years, Linus discovered the world of cryptocurrency, a digital money that most people don't understand back then. He would spend hours watching YouTube tutorials, reading online articles, and practicing how to trade. He failed many times, lost his small money, but refused to quit. He once said, "Failure only means you are learning." And that was exactly what he was doing, learning. By the time he graduated, Linus was no longer a student. He had become a young entrepreneur, ready to change his story. After school, Linus started small. He began by selling gadgets and teaching crypto trading to people online. He would buy a phone, repair it, sell it, and use the profit to buy more Bitcoin. At first, people mocked him. Some said, "You are wasting your time on internet money." But he kept on going. He knew something they didn't. He saw the future. In 2017, when the price of Bitcoin started rising, Linus' small investment began to grow. The same people who laughed at him were now asking him how he did it. That was when he started his first business, the Blord Bitcoin store, where people could safely buy and sell Bitcoin. The name Bitcoin Lord became so popular online that it later became his brand name, Blord. By the age of 22, Blord made his first ₦1,000,000 from crypto trading, but instead of wasting it, he reinvested it. He believed that money should work for you, not the other way around. Blord's success don't happen overnight. It comes from sleepless nights, constant learning, and bold decision. He created the Blord Group of companies, a brand that would later grow into one of Nigeria's most influential tech and business group. He launched his first platform, JatPay, a crypto trading service that made buying and selling digital coins easier for Nigerians. Then came other apps like Viewpoint, BitShop, and Famous App, each solving real-world problems. Slowly, Blord Group of companies was born, a group that would include crypto services, real estate, tech innovation, and e-commerce. His vision was clear: to make Africa one of the biggest players in global technology and cryptocurrency. Also, Blord Automobiles, his luxury car dealership, Blord Mining Company, focused on crypto mining and blockchain technology. Blord Real Estate, investing in smart home and estates across Nigeria. Blord Bitcoin Store, the foundation of his cryptocurrency success. Each of these companies created jobs for thousands of Nigerians. Blord believed in lifting others. He would often say, "If you are rich and the people around you are poor, then you are still poor." As his income grows, Blord begins to import gadgets and machines from China. He traveled to countries like Dubai, Malaysia, and China, learning how big entrepreneurs manage global businesses. He started buying crypto mining machines directly from manufacturers and supplying them in Nigeria. He didn't stop there. He built luxury apartments and estates under his company's name. From Anambra to Abuja to Lagos, Blord was becoming a global brand. Behind every successful man, there is a supportive woman. Blord met his wife, Precious, During his early hustle days, she wasn't attracted to his money, she saw his vision. They became friends, then partners, and later husband and wife. Their wedding was elegant and full of joy, not because of wealth, but because of how far they have come together. Today, they are blessed with children whom Blord treasures deeply. He once said, "My family is my peace. When I look at them, I remembered how I started." In 2021, after achieving success, Blord decided to give back. He started the Blord Foundation, a non-profit organization created to help young Nigerians achieve their dreams.
Chukwuebuka, God found you today, and God will always find you. Amen. Success.
Receive. Thank you. Dad, I said I receive them.
The foundation focuses on giving out business grants to youth, supporting widows and orphans, paying school fees for students, helping small business owners during December giveaway. Every December, Blord hosts massive charity events, distributing food, clothes, and money to thousands of people, especially in Anambra State and Abuja. He believed that true success is not measured by what you give, by what you have, but how many lives you have touched. In 2020, Blord made a headline after he was invited by DSS for questioning regarding his crypto business. The internet went wide. Many people thought it was a criminal case, but it wasn't. It was simple, a misunderstanding about how cryptocurrency operates in Nigeria, which at that time was not well regulated. He was later released and cleared for any wrongdoing. Instead of being discouraged, he used the experience to educate others on how to run legitimate crypto business and avoid scam. That event taught him caution, but it also made him more famous. Today, Blord is not shy about showing the result of his hard work. He owns several mansions, one in Anambra, one in Abuja, and others in Lagos, Abuja, and other major cities in Nigeria. He also built a beautiful house for his parents, a gift that brought his mothers to tears. His cars collections include Lamborghini, Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, Range Rover Sport, Lexus LX 570, and others. Each car represents a stage in his life journey from struggle to success. As of 2005, Blord estimates worth was over 10 million US dollar, with major income coming from crypto, real estate, and technology. But he always reminds people that money is not just everything. He says, the real wealth is freedom. Freedom to live life on your own terms.
Very big company, we have about 400 staffs working. So I choose to stay in Anambra because I believe we can make it anywhere. Agreed. And if everybody leaves Anambra and come to Abuja, who will stay in Anambra, who employ those people in Anambra, those graduate in Anambra. So I choose to stay in Anambra. But I have office in Abuja, Lagos, Port Harcourt, Asaba, Benin. I have office in 5 different states.
Blord is known for his generosity. He had given out cars, cash gifts, and business startup money to young Nigerians online. On social media, many people testify that he sent them money to start small business, or every December, his foundation reaches out to thousands of families, providing food and gifts. He once said, "I know what it feels like to have nothing. That is why I help people who are trying." His heart for giving has earned him respect far beyond the crypto world. Blord's journey teaches us several powerful lessons. Start small, dream big. He started with nothing but a laptop and an idea. Never stop learning. His success came from continuous learning and adaptation. Be patient. He failed many times before making it. Give back. The more he made, the more he gave back to others. Stay humble and focused. Even with all his wealth, Blord remains down to earth and driven by purpose.
But I don't like it when you say, "Come, you're not smart."
You're not smart. You're not smart every time. And it's not a must that you're going to be smart every time. Right?
Okay.
You know, I'm back to Ebenezer. So, for so many years, this Catholic church was found in Ebenezer. And
Blord's message to young Nigerians is simple. Don't chase fast money. Learn a skill. Build something real, and your time will come. He encouraged the youth to focus on legal businesses, especially in tech, real estate, and digital finance. He believed that Africa's next generation of millionaires will come from technology and innovation, not shortcuts. Blord's life is the proof that destiny does not favor the lazy. He faced failure, rejection, and doubts, but he never stopped believing. His story is not just about money. It is about courage. it is about vision, it is about faith. So wherever you are right now, maybe you are struggling, maybe nobody believes in you, remember this: success started with a decision. If Blord could rise from nothing to become a global entrepreneur, you can too. Keep learning, keep pushing, keep working, and never give up. Thank you for watching this inspiring documentary on Blord. Do well to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye-bye.